Hi guys, and today I'm going to be doing weird noises and like weird stuff. So let's go. So first thing, simple armpit fart. And then this is not quite simple though, because like you have to like go like under your leg. I learned it just by doing that, but it's just the leg. And then the other weird thing noise I can do is like, so and like this is really weird thing I can do. So I can fake burp, I can show you my collarbone, and I've got really stretchy skin. So here we go. My collarbone. Ready? And I've got stretchy skin, and I forgot what the other one was. I don't know. Leave it in the comments down below, and then I'll just do the noise in one video. Okay, right. So it's, oh my god, what the hell? So it's, I can do that, fake burp. Okay, the fake burp. And this is for one of the noises. Listen to it, like when I fake burp. Oh, sorry, it's disgusting. But I know at the start when I'm like doing it, with my mouth going up, can you like hear the noise how we do it? Comment down below. And that's it for today. Bye. Peace. Love you guys. Woo, Shane fam.